Welcome back to Fire Dragon, and we are here today with a Minecraft tutorial on how to make a easier version of a furnace for mass production, kind of. It still only requires one furnace, so it's not going to be quicker, but it is easier to feed in the materials. So you can put like 20 stacks of raw beef and 20 stacks of coal at the same time instead of having to wait for each individual stack to be done. So it's kind of mass production, but it's not fast production. But either way, here is the finished decorated version. It is a 3 by 5 by 4 block decorated version, or the stripped down version, if you prefer it this way, is a 2 by 2 by 4. So let me show you how this works. You put in your raw beef on the left, or whatever, and then your coal on the right, and then it cooks it in the furnace, so that would be in there. So essentially, this has to be on the top, has to send it to the top, so that way it sends it to the top ingredient, and then this has to be on the side, so it sends it to the bottom fuel, and then this has to come from the bottom, so that way it takes out the output and puts it in the bottom, and it cooks it for you, and boom, you got some steak. But if you want to, this is better for you if you want to just put in like 3 stacks of steak, 5 stacks of sand, or 10 stacks of cobble or whatever, and then put in a ton of coal blocks or lava buckets. If you were doing mass production, like 10 blocks of cobble, I would suggest using lava buckets. So you can put like 10 lava buckets in here, and then one lava bucket smelts 100 blocks. So basically almost 2 stacks of blocks. So that's more efficient if you have good sources of lava and iron. But anyway, yeah, so you can see it's cooking still. So I'm going to show you how to build this. Pretty simple if you can't tell from there. Might as well take you step by step, huh? So you place down your, not trapped. Place down 2 normal chests. On the right side, place down a hopper, and place a furnace on top of it, like so. The hopper needs to be feeding into the chest, which is on the left side, whenever you're facing it, right side of the actual thing. Anyway, place a hopper on top of that furnace with a normal chest on top of there. Place a trap chest right beside it. Place a hopper down there, right below it, just facing down. And then place your hopper facing into the furnace. And that's it for that. But to decorate this, I prefer to add, I use mossy cobble for any redstone contraptions I do, because it looks nice. But you can use whatever material you want. Just make certain that whenever you put anything above the chests, either have it be a glass item, which is glowstone or prismarine, or sea lanterns, not prismarine, sea lanterns, or slabs or stairs, so that way you can actually open the chest when there's a block there, and you don't need those. Then you take sea lanterns, place it above it, so you can actually open the chests, and it will still look nice, and to hide other stuff. But I take some ladders and put it on the side, so that way you can do that. Make it look nicer, and be able to get up and down without having to make a staircase. A good way to make this very more useful and compact, go ahead and put your crafting table and your anvil inside of it, so that way you don't have to like make another area for it. But yeah, it's pretty simple. It's very good for leaving it be and doing stuff. So if you want to see more of these how-to tutorials, then like this video to show me that you liked it, and put in the comments what other tutorials you want me to create in the future. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more, and see you next time.
Bye.